friends, happy Tuesday. Today Miss you and I are going to teach you and we're going to talk about what is science. Before I read the book to you, we are going to look at our anchor chart for today. It's called Science is Everywhere. And I want you to take not a deep look, but let's take a look at all the different stations that they have here. When I look at this, it looks like they're at maybe a science museum where they can explore. So up here, it looks like there's some stuff here, over here. Looks like they're doing some really cool stuff. Maybe some things we've even used in our classroom. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Looks like a place I'd love to go. All right, let's read What is Science by Rebecca Dotlich, and that is the author, and the author writes the words. The illustrator is Sachiko Yoshikawa. I think I said that correctly, and that is the illustrator, and the illustrator draws the pictures. All right. What is science? We're about to find out. What is science? So many things. The study of stars and Saturn's rings. The study of rocks, geodes and stones, dinosaur fossils, and old chipped bones. Oops. The study of soil, of oil and gas, of sea and sky, of seed and grass, of wind and hurricanes that blow, volcanoes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and snow. What is science? The study of trees, of butterflies and honey bees, glaciers and geysers, clay and sand, mighty mountains and rolling land. The power of trains, of planes that soar. Science is this and so much more. So into the earth and into the sky, we question the how, the where, when, and why. We question, we hunt, we wonder, we hunt and explore the secrets of caves, the dark ocean floor. The oldest of rivers, the tombs of kings. What is science? So many things. All right, so let's take a look back at this anchor chart and talk about some of the science that we see. For instance, we have friends over here. This looks like chemistry, and oops, I miss you. I'll hold on to you over up here. It looks like they're mixing things together. When you take a couple different things, mix it together, something is an outcome. So they're trying to figure out if they mix certain things, what actually comes out of it. Over here, we have some friends who are playing with water. How water shoots in certain directions, maybe how it flows. Up here we have some friends. We have some that are making shadows. We've done that before. We've outside played shadow tag. Up here, they're talking about balloons. When you put certain air in balloons, if you just blow into a balloon or if you put helium, some rise, some don't. Over here, it looks like we have some friends that are learning how an airplane works. Maybe what happens when the propeller works, when air is pushed up. Over here, you guys might not think about it, but art can be a science. When you mix certain colors, if you simply just mix two colors together, like red and white, it makes pink. Well, that's science because you've mixed two things and you've made a new product. Down here, it looks like they're learning about different parts of the world. Maybe what grows there, what animals they might see. And down here, looks like motion and movement. When you pull certain things, or certain things are pulled a different way, or when you walk, it makes energy. All kinds of really cool things. So today, what I want you to do is in your work packet, there's a page that says, Let's Explore. And I want you to write in there, what part of science might you want to explore? Think about the things that maybe we read in the book. You can always go back and rewatch it and read the book again with your mom and dads. Or you can take a look at this anchor chart. And I want you to write what part of science you'd like to explore and draw a picture of you exploring it. What you think it might look like, what you think it might happen. Maybe if you have a question, you could put your question on there of things we can explore. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, we are going to do a science experiment. An experiment, just like they're doing down here, is, like I said, part of science, but it's going to have to do with weather. That's all I'm going to tell you. And you're going to get to watch Mrs. Sheik and Mrs. Fitzgerald and I do a fun science experiment. So I can't wait to see what part of science you'd like to explore. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, friends.